What's up, guys? It's Adam, the Logical Dude, and I'm here with another video. Today we're going to be talking about my two stock trades for the week that I'm looking at, playing a couple of swing trades on Robinhood. So we're going to get into that. One of those is United States Steel Corporation, the other is Ford. So first, before we do anything, I'll just heated up this nice little dab. We have some Golden Grams. This is by Hood Oil out of Portland, Oregon. Because you know, stock trading can get a little stressful. Just got to take it down a notch. Let it ride, you know, be a little patient. Because we all know I'm not a day trader. I'm a swing trader. But sometimes those day trading angst kind of gets to you, you know. You see something go up a little bit, and then it starts to drop a little bit, and you're like, oh no, should I sell? But you got to play by the rules. So we're going to get into that, and I'm going to show you the rules I play by. Let's Alright guys, welcome back, and we are here on Tradingview. So I was going to show you the charts that I'm looking at here. So see over here we've got ticker symbol X, which is United States Steel Corporation. We are looking at this on the one-day chart here. If you can get a free account through TradingView. They do have, you know, paid membership where you can do more. Essentially, I'm using three main indicators that I have turned on. What I have listed, I'll go ahead and show you. So the one indicator is SMAs. So if you go to your indicators and you go to the search, you type in SMAs, which is simple moving averages. You're going to find this one right here by Vita. So this is the one that I'm looking at. It gives you the 10, 50, 100, and 200 period moving averages. What I do with that, though, is, we'll cancel out of that, is I actually come in and I edit mine. So, oh, not the volume. We are going to edit this. So I changed the length, from length 1, I changed it from the 10 period moving average to the 20. The 20 is actually a little bit more of a significant indicator, and does a really good job showing you when you have uptrends and downtrends. So I like following the 20, and then the 50, 100, and 200 are, you know, I like those. So that's what I do to kind of edit that one, and I edit the colors a little bit to make it a little bit more legible for myself. So you can customize these indicators. So you can start with what they give you, and then you can customize colors and that kind of thing. The indicator that I use below is the RSI, the Relative Strength Index. This is a pretty key indicator. A lot of TA, technical analysts use this. And then down below, I have the MACD. This is actually the CM Ultra MACD. Not sure what all this means, but what I like is it gives me these really nice buy and sell indicators. And it shows you the crosses, the color changes when it shows you when it's in a downtrend. This turns red, crosses, it turns green. So I just really simply look for certain indicators, and that's what I trade by. So for instance, United States Steel X, this, I started looking at this when I saw the MACD turning. Before it even gave the buy signal, I actually bought in Friday afternoon. Bought 5 shares in to ticker symbol X. And then it crossed over into the buy, and so I've been riding it up. Today we are up, it says it's up 3% here. Actually, my Robinhood account We'll pop over there for a second. And right now, between United States Steel and Ford, I am up 2.28% today. It was a little bit higher. I was up over $5 earlier, but it's kind of corrected a little bit. If you see here, I kind of drew this line of support, this line of structure here. It's been support and resistance multiple times. So we hit right at that line and then came back down. So this is a pretty significant line of structure here. So if United States Steel Corporation can break above this line, which is about, I've got set at $20.50. If we could break above that, that would be awesome. What it did do today is it did break above the 20-day moving average. But it looks like it's kind of settling back down a little bit. But if we look down at the RSI, it's definitely in a really good kind of, not quite oversold. It hasn't quite been oversold yet, but it's in a nice uptick. It's been sold a lot. The sellers are exhausted when it's down here. That means people are, tired of selling it out. And then it's starting to uptrend, so buyers are starting to come in and buy more. That's where this hit. You can see where it kind of confirmed the uptrend of the RSI is where the MACD came in and gave us this buy signal. So if you bought in here, that's basically buying in today. You're going to be in good shape, because I have a feeling this is going to jump back up and possibly test the 50-day moving average. So we're looking around maybe 2140, 2150. It's kind of where I'm looking at. If it gets up to that mark, I'm probably going to sell out. So that might happen in the next couple of days. So my trades are more swing trades. So I go, some of my trades will go for a week or two, that it'll take to play out. I don't day trade. I don't stress myself out. I have a day job, and I also look at cryptos and I do other stuff. But it's telling me that my rules are working. So considering that, I'm up in my Robinhood account the way I am, tells me that I'm doing something right. So it makes me want to put more money into my trading account. So, but we'll get there. I kind of like just letting this compound and earn and build itself up. I've built it from $100 and I'm up to $166 now. So not too bad. Anyway, enough rambling about that. The next buy was Ford. Ford I also bought in on Friday, right as soon as it hit the buy signal. And then it's kind of got a nice little momentum curve coming up here. So our RSI has a really nice uptick on it. And we're still in a really nice neutral area here. Once it gets up this way, that's when you kind of start looking for things to turn a little bit. So I got a feeling it's going to pull up a little bit, maybe break over, hopefully break over the $9 range, go up to around $9.20, something like that. Maybe even come up here and test this 200-day moving average. That would be really cool to see Ford do that. There was also some news here in Robinhood. If we flip over, go into the Ford window here, there was some news about, Ford versus Chevy. We got Ford stock and the cusp of an uptrend, coming from Investopedia. I didn't really read that news article or anything, but maybe something for you to check out. So, yeah, that's what's going on with me today. Those are the two stocks that I bought in. I bought 3 shares of Ford, and I bought 5 shares of ticker symbol X, United States Steel. So that's what I'm rocking with. This is not financial advice whatsoever. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you what the trades that I'm doing. If you find value in these, in what I'm doing, cool. Let's like and thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you're watching me on Steam it, please give me a upvote, and, you can even re-steam if you find this interesting. So those are my stock picks for this week. And I can't, really go without talking about crypto. So over here on the CoinLogic market page, taking a look here, crypto is looking beautiful today. We definitely having a green day. Everything's up except for Bitcoin Cash and Cardano right now, but everything else has been pretty much up all day. I mean, and they're not really down that much. I mean, that's just fluctuation, man. Um, what's really, starting to catch my eye here is, I've got a couple investments that are sitting down here, Ontology and Neo. It's kind of killing me how Ontology's flipped Neo. Hey, I can't complain. Both of them still make me generous, dividends. So I can't complain with that, 3 to 5%. I'm looking at Tezos. Tezos is really starting to come up now that they're getting listed on Coinbase and everything. That's going to be a big thing. So that's Coinbase's first like proof of stake thing. Now they're also supporting the Maker functionality. Maker's a pretty cool project. Been hearing a lot about it. I want to do some more research on it, but I'm really kind of focused in on the investments that I've got. What finally happened for me was I finally got approved because they made you go through registration for CryptoBridge using the Fractal ID, and that took forever for me to get approved for some reason. So finally got approved for that. So I'm going to start dipping my toe in the masternode water. Start playing with some of the instant shared masternodes on Gentarium. I've been checking that out. So I'm going to probably do a whole separate video on all my proof of stake and that kind of thing. So what I'm doing with my cryptos. But just kind of wanted to end the video. Just kind of, give you a brief overview of what's going on in the crypto market as well as the stock market. So, but that's me for the day, guys. I got to get back to the regular day job. So you guys be cool, be real, abide, and always think logically. Buy low, sell high. And again, this is not financial advice. I ain't your daddy. I got 2 kids of my own. So you got to make your own decisions and do your own research. Peace out. Love you.